Ready to ditch the controller and dominate your favorite GameCube and Wii games with a keyboard and mouse? Let's dive in. First, open the Dolphin Emulator and click on the Config button at the top of the window. This opens the emulator settings. In the configuration window, navigate to the Controllers tab. This is where we'll map our keyboard and mouse inputs. Under Port 1, select Standard Controller from the drop-down menu. Then, click the Configure button right below. This opens the controller configuration window. Here, you'll see a list of all the GameCube controller buttons. To map a button, simply click on the corresponding box next to the controller action. Then, press the desired key on your keyboard or click with your mouse. For example, I'm mapping the A button to the Enter key. Repeat this for all the buttons you want to map. Once you've mapped all your desired buttons, click the Close button. Now, select your game and hit play. You can now control your game using the keyboard and mouse setup you just configured. Enjoy!